Right, this is the one-legged seagull prank. I know I haven't got the best camera in the world, but we can actually see he's standing on one leg. So what we're going to do is going to give him a bit of hot chili pepper sauce. Too spicy for you. A couple of biscuits there. Let's see if he doesn't fly off. Give that a little mush in. So we're going to make you a little biscuit sandwich with a bit of hot chili pepper sauce. Now hopefully... He's having a little groom at the moment, so he's not actually paying attention. Oh, someone's seen it. Nope, missed that one. What about a bit of cookie there? Oh, 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 oh. Oh, he's seen it, he's seen it. Hot chili pepper sauce on biscuits. Look, they're eating it. They're all going to come over now. There you go. Look, can you hear him? Something's going on, mate, in the community.
What's the next one?
No, it stunned him a bit though. But you want more than biscuits? Well, that's the one with loads of chilli on it. That. He's had it. He's had it. He's had it. Oh, here they come. They've ate all the biscuits, though. But he needs a drink of water, doesn't he? Can seagulls actually taste hot chili sauce? Is it a myth? Is it not? Can blackbirds taste it? Leave a comment below, guys. Thanks for watching my seagull video. Take 3.